Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this April 22nd, 2023. I hope everybody had a great Saturday out there so far. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay. In today's video, we're going to talk about the forecast charts for your Sunday and Monday. We're going to take a look at the weather radar, what's currently going on. Also, we're going to take a look at the watches, warnings, and advisories map as well. Also, we'll take a look at the Storm Prediction Center overview and a few little other products they use as well. And also, we're going to take a look at the GFS model for the total snowfall over the next 12 days. Okay, if you're a new viewer, have not subscribed yet, consider subscribing. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also, like these videos and share these videos so more people can watch them and also get the content flowing as well. Alrighty, we're going to get the show on the road here. We're going to start off here in the northern portion of the United States and we'll work our way south and westbound. Okay, over here in Maine, we still got shower activity along the I-95 corridor all the way into a portion of Pennsylvania. We still got snow over southern Canada all the way back over toward Minnesota, northern Minnesota that is, northern Wisconsin, northern Michigan, back toward the Chicago, Illinois, into Ohio, and also down into a portion of West Virginia, through Pennsylvania, New York, and also into a portion of New Hampshire and western Maine, Montreal, and Toronto, Canada, y'all included in the mixed precipitation. We have showers extending along the shoreline from Boston all the way to Philadelphia to Washington, D.C., through the coastal waters of off the Carolina coast. Also, we have shower and thunderstorm activity over southern Florida around the Miami area and also the northern Bahamas. Also, we have shower and thunderstorm activity from Alabama back to New Mexico and also down into Texas and northern Mexico as well. We have some severe weather down in the southern portion of Texas coming up on Sunday. We have a slight risk for severe weather there and a marginal risk there as well. Also, we have mixed precipitation from portion of New Mexico all the way through Utah and portion of Colorado, Nevada, Oregon, and Idaho. Also towards Vancouver, Canada, Washington State, Seattle, Washington, you're included as well. We have some shower activity also in the Washington State area, Oregon, and also portion of Idaho, and also portions of coastal areas from portions of Washington State down to Oregon along the coastal vicinities. Alright. Now here's a look at your Monday forecast, April 24. We still got showers, maybe some mixed precipitation over portions of the northeast United States from Maine all the way back over toward Minnesota, Wisconsin, Michigan, and also over toward Ohio and Pennsylvania. Like I said, got a few pockets of mixed precipitation in PA and also New York and also up toward New Hampshire and Vermont, also in Wisconsin and Minnesota and southern Canada. We have some shower and thunderstorm activity over southeast Georgia down into Florida and also around the Miami-Dade area vicinity. Also, we have shower activity extending from, like I said, around the Chicago, Illinois area all the way over to Iowa, Nebraska, Kansas, and Missouri. We have thunderstorms and shower activity extending from South Dakota all the way through east of Denver, Colorado, back into New Mexico and southern Arizona, central and northern Arizona. Also back into Texas and down into the Gulf of Mexico, Louisiana, Mississippi, and Arkansas. You're included in that as well. We have mixed precipitation extending from near Colorado, around the Denver area as well, back through Utah, northeastern Nevada, also back into Idaho, portion of Montana, Wyoming as well. Got a patch of snow there as well. Also some heavy snow maybe over here in portion of southwest Montana. Also, we have mixed precipitation around the Vancouver area of Canada, down through Seattle, Washington, portion of Oregon as well. Rain showers still extending along coastal areas from Oregon State up to portions of Washington State as well. Alright, let's move on to the next map. Here's the the weather radar across the nation. Here goes that low pressure system spinning over the portion of the Great Lakes region in southern Canada. Cold front trailing all the way down to Florida, producing some shower thunderstorm activity. I see the warning on the warning map there in the Watches Warning Advisory map. You'll see in a minute we got a tornado warning located over New York State, over the southern part there one tornado warning with with a tornado maybe reported in that vicinity. Also, we have shower and thunderstorm activity moving through eastern North Carolina. Like I said, some scattered in Florida. Snow and rain showers over the Great Lakes from middle southern Canada through Wisconsin, also into Illinois, back over to Ohio, back down into Kentucky and Tennessee as well. Got some shower activity over Oklahoma, Kansas, and Texas. Southern over northern New Mexico as well. Also, we got some in New Mexico, some shower activity. Got snow flying in portions of Colorado and also over into portions of South and North Dakota. Got some pockets of scattered snow showers and rain showers through Idaho, Montana, and Wyoming. And also there comes some shower and thunderstorm activity over in this vicinity in the Pacific Northwest. So, and that's coming on shore. Anybody over around the Guam area got some shower activity to the southwest. Got a few pockets of rain and snow showers over Alaska, and the Hawaii chain island got a few scattered showers in the central and north part of the Bahamas, and over to Puerto Rico got some scattered activity in y'all's vicinity as well. Alright, let's take a look at the watches, warnings, and advisory map. I'll show you that tornado warning, what was on the map here. Here it is located right here in southern New York. Got a few thunderstorm warnings also in effect for northern New York as well. Also, we got some special marine warnings along the coastal areas of Florida and South Carolina. Still got that severe thunderstorm watch for the Outer Banks of North Carolina and the Grand Strand region of South Carolina. So I figured this white box should be canceled probably shortly because most of that activity will weaken as it continues to push offshore over into the coastal water. We've got a flood advisory over one of the counties and around the Raleigh area of North Carolina. We got a freeze watch in effect for portions of the mountains of western North Carolina. Also, we have some freeze watches also in a portion for Illinois. Also, we got some frost advisory for southern Ohio all the way back through Kentucky, through southern Indiana, southern Illinois, also into a portion of southern Missouri, northern Arkansas, and also over here in Oklahoma, and also into a portion of southern Kansas. Got a freeze warning for effect for northern Texas, and also a frost advisory for you guys in northern Texas as well. Also some freeze warning for Missouri, also over to Kansas, Nebraska, and portions of Iowa, and like I said, western Illinois. Got some flood advisories for northwest Wisconsin and northeast Minnesota. Some flood warnings in effect for eastern North Dakota. Also some flood advisory for northern Montana. Some hydro issues over portions of Idaho. Still got some air quality alerts over here in Arizona. Got a wind advisory over portions of Texas, and also got some severe weather going on in central Texas, where that marginal risk of severe weather is occurring today with some with one severe thunderstorm warning there and a severe thunderstorm watch in the surrounding vicinity there. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the Storm Prediction Center overview. This is the overview here. You can see there goes that line of shower and thunderstorm pushing off to the east. There goes the white boxes in effect for a portion of the Maryland area down into the eastern Carolina area, and a slight risk as well. Also some shower. That's where the white boxes was located at, and also a few excuse me, can't even talk. And a severe thunderstorm warning was in effect for one county there as well. The convective outlook for today still got that marginal risk, like I said, extending from northern central and northern Florida through the eastern Carolinas all the way up into portion of New York. Slight risk still in effect for eastern PA and to the eastern Carolinas. Also over central and southern Texas got a slight risk and a marginal risk over the southwestern portion of Texas. The white boxes, we still got a watch over. That's that severe thunderstorm watch in central Texas. There's that severe thunderstorm watch for the Grand Strand, the eastern Carolina. We still got that severe thunderstorm warning up here around the Maryland area as well. All right, the MDS discussion still showing that white box there across the eastern Carolina. Also up here in the DC area and Maryland vicinity, and there's that white box there as well. Let's take a look at the storm reports for today. We do not have no tornado reports at this time. That's 0. Wind reports is 73, and high wind report was 1. Hail report was 8, and one large hail report was just 1. So that brought the total of severe weather today up to 81. But I would not be surprised to see that number maybe increase, maybe a couple more before the evening is out. All right, the fire weather. Currently, we do not have any fire weather issue problems for today across the lower 48, so that's a plus there. And the hazards, like I said, that was just like what you seen in the other map that I showed there earlier. All right, now let's take a look at the GFS forecast model run. This is through the 4th of May. As you can see, we still have copious amount of snow over Canada. Few pockets of snow, heavy snow amounts over portions of the northeastern United States through Maine, back through portions of New Hampshire, and also back in toward Connecticut, and also New York State, northern PA, and also a few down here in portions of West Virginia and Virginia. Also some across the north, across Minnesota, Wisconsin, back into Minnesota and Iowa, and also back over towards portions of North and South Dakota, all the way back down into portions of northwest Texas, also over here toward Utah and Arizona, also back over Nevada, also over here in the portions of the northwest, including Oregon and Washington State, and also back over to portions of southern Canada as well. Okay, well, this wraps up tonight's video. Hope everybody have a great evening and continue to stay safe and well. Enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. And if you, like I said, if you are a new viewer and have not subscribed, consider subscribing. Love to have you. Like these videos, share these videos, and we will catch you back in the next one.